Welcome to English for Travelling. I'm Ruben, your British English coach. Stop using basic travel English. Most learners do this, and it's exactly why they sound unnatural. If you want to sound like a native, memorable, and actually impress people, well, you need proverbs. What is a proverb? A proverb is a short, traditional sentence that gives advice or expresses a general truth. Instead of explaining something in a long way, you say one sentence and everybody understands what you mean. Are you ready? Let's get started. Proverb number 1. Travel broadens the mind. This means that travelling helps you understand the world better. Before travelling, I thought my way was normal. But after travelling, I've completely changed my perspective. Travelling totally broadens the mind. Proverb 2. The journey is more important than the destination. This means that the experience itself matters more than the final result. Our flight got cancelled, but we ended up exploring a new city and meeting amazing people. Honestly, the journey was more important than the destination. Proverb 3. All roads lead to Rome. The meaning? There are many different ways to achieve the same goal. For example, we all built our businesses in different ways, but we all ended up in the same place. Well, I guess all roads lead to Rome. Proverb 4. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. The meaning is to adapt to local customs when you're in a new place. For example, in Japan, everybody was quiet on the train. So I switched my phone to silent and stopped taking calls. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Proverb 5. A good traveller has no fixed plans. The meaning? Be flexible. The best moments are often unplanned. For example, we missed our train and ended up exploring a small village that we never planned to visit. A good traveller has no fixed plans. Just a note, this is often attributed to Lao Tzu, who was the writer of The Art of War. Proverb 6. He who does not travel does not understand the value of men. The meaning? Travelling gives you a deeper understanding of people. Example, I used to judge people quickly, but now I've travelled, I'm more open-minded. You don't really understand people until you travel. Proverb 7. Travel makes one modest. The meaning? You realise how small you are in this vast world. Standing next to Mount Everest, I realise how small and insignificant I am. Travelling makes one modest. Proverb 8. To travel is to live. Travel is an essential, life-giving part of being human. I feel most alive when I'm traveling and visiting new places, not when I'm sitting at home doing nothing. For me, to travel is to live. And Proverb 9. Not all those who wander are lost. Meaning, exploring without a fixed plan is not a bad thing. I didn't have a fixed plan, but every day led to something new. Not all those who wander are lost. And just a note, this is from J.R.R. Tolkien's Lord of the Rings. But it's now used as a common saying. And Proverb 10. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Travel opens you up to the richness of life. For example, my friend has never left his hometown, and his view of the world is limited. It's like he's only read one page. So, now you know what a proverb is, and more importantly, how to use them. I want to know, which one will you use first? Let me know in the comments. I read every comment, and honestly, I'm curious to know what you think. If you want more real English like this, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.